Every journey begins where the earth breathes first. Precision starts with human touch. Each leaf carries a promise. Harvest becomes harmony.
Standards begin long before machines.
Time guides the harvest.
Every batch is accounted for.
Care preserves character.
Balance matters.
Traceability begins here.
Freshness is protected.
Movement begins the next phase. Momentum builds.
Nothing is left to chance.
The field releases its harvest.
The journey narrows toward purpose.
Origin gives way to process.
What was grown now moves forward.
Movement preserves freshness. Speed is measured, never rushed.
Harvest meets the world.
Care continues in motion.
Timing remainly precise.
Minutes matter.
Fresh leaves breathe as they travel.
Airflow protects quality.
Time advances.
Process draws nearer. Destination confirmed.
Flow is controlled. Verification protects integrity.
Entry granted.
The factory receives its raw form.
Positioning is exact.
Transport ends. Transformation begins.
Inside these walls, raw leaves gain direction. Pressure is released.
Handling remains deliberate. The line begins.
From outside to inside.
Conditions change instantly.
Order is maintained.
Release is controlled.
Volume replaces bundles.
Flow is continuous.
Human oversight remains.
Direction is set.
Scale becomes apparent. Control refines flow. Impact is softened.
The next phase awaits.
Preparation replaces harvest.
Air becomes the first tool.
Uniformity is enforced early.
Purity is protected. Evenness shapes outcome.
Numbers guide instinct. Control refines process.
Touch confirms readiness.
Color signals progress.
Unseen particles are removed. Eyes complete the task.
Preparation is complete.
Flow is balanced.
Transformation draws near. The leaf surrenders to the machine.
Every movement shapes the future brew.
Texture transforms quietly.
Continuity ensures uniformity. Precision is multiplied. Inspection informs the next step.
Order prepares transformation.
Every tray counts.
Moisture guides oxidation.
Change is subtle, but certain.
Balance ensures consistency. Temperature governs transformation.
Time guides patience. Human judgment confirms machinery.
Traceability continues.
Air becomes invisible hands.
Observation never sleeps. Records accompany change.
The core transformation is complete.
The leaf yields to mechanical precision.
Shape and size begin their transformation. Even distribution ensures uniform processing.
Precision multiplies at every pass. Uniformity is secured before drying.
Heat locks transformation in place.
Air becomes a sculptor of flavor.
Control governs consistency. Balance creates perfection.
Transformation is visible and complete.
Precision finishes the process.
The leaf reaches its final form.
Heat fades, readiness remains.
Human eyes confirm machine work.
Grades are defined for consistency.
Traceability continues.
Transformation feeds the next phase.
Every step is verified.
Precision moves without pause.
Technology sees what eyes cannot. Only the finest proceed. Uniformity is reinforced. Consistency is maintained. Every gram is accounted for. Order emerges from motion.
Movement becomes final form.
Precision ensures quality. Safety never sleeps. Perfection is subtle. Preparation meets technology.
Every bag awaits precision.
Filling is measured to the gram.
Every seal locks freshness.
The journey nears its end.
Human oversight validates technology. Order is maintained before storage. Preparation becomes precision. Automation builds order.
Human eyes confirm perfection.
Protection seals integrity. Traceability continues to the final step. Movement remains controlled. Flow continues without pause. Order reaches its station. Digital eyes track every step.
Conditions preserve quality.
Movement respects order.
Every cycle repeats precisely. Checks preserve standards.
Integration ensures efficiency.
Precision guides each motion.
Every move is recorded. Organization precedes departure. The final journey awaits.
Order flows seamlessly.
Precision meets transport.
Every batch is scrutinized before release.
Samples carry the story of the harvest.
Moisture defines freshness.
Scent tells the story of quality.
Visual standards are uncompromising.
Every particle is accounted for.
Consistency is the benchmark.
Records accompany every change.
Flavor confirms process integrity.
Visual perfection is a guide. Aroma completes the profile.
Small details reveal true quality. Random checks ensure consistency.
Approval signals readiness.
Records complete the chain of accountability.
Grades reflect diligence.
Human judgment seals confidence.
Quality assured, ready for the world. Every batch approaches its final form. Precision meets speed. Freshness is locked in. Traceability accompanies every bag. Order builds layer by layer. Protection preserves integrity. Movement remains precise.
Final placement secures readiness.
Efficiency completes the cycle. Departure signals journey's start.
And this is how modern factories produce CDCT from start to finish.
The cycle of precision and care is complete.